To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to speak each character you type aloud, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under spoken assistant section, tap the gray on option next to speak keyboard input aloud until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, tap speak keyboard input aloud. Under what to read section, select characters. With the selection, you can also set your font to read the character with its phonetic name instead of the letter name. To do so, scroll down the screen and then make sure that the phonetic alphabet option is on. If it's still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, open an app where you can type something with your keyboard. As the example, we will create a new note. Now type something.
Capital Y Yankee. O Oscar. U Uniform. R Romeo.
You can hear that the phone will read the character you type aloud with its phonetic name. Given to the function, you can use this feature to help you make sure that you have typed the right characters by hearing the spoken feedback when you are having a vision problem such as low vision or else. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.